Hey there, so it's Kaz here today, and I'm going to be going over another SEO case study for a company that we managed to drive over 100,000 visitors a month over a 1-year period. So ultimately they managed to grow from next to nothing to a very successful campaign. Now in terms of how they did that, this is a beauty site specializing in professional beauty shots, as well as lighting and various other elements around that. Now they were struggling to be found online from an organic perspective, and while they did a great job in terms of initially making their website, their keywords were simply stuffed, i.e. everywhere, and Google hated that. They were over abusing kind of an SEO strategy to the point where it just wasn't successful. It was actually counterproductive. So that's why they approached us to kind of help revamp the whole flow of the website from a content perspective and ultimately make the keywords appear naturally. Now this made them far more visible on Google, and in terms of some of the results that we managed to achieve for them, they originally targeted 76 keywords that are primary keywords. They're already ranking for over 10,000 organic keywords, somewhere on the upper range of that, of course. And in terms of some of the results that we've got for them, we managed to get 69 out of 76 in the top 3 pages. Out of those, we managed to get 53 keywords in the top first page. So that ultimately means that within search results, they have 53 pages or 53 keywords, if you will, that are ultimately hitting the first page, and some of these search volumes are phenomenal. With that considered, if you'd like to make that your campaign, i.e. a very huge success, do feel free to reach out to us, and yeah, we'll take it from there.